The OnePlus 11 sale in India starts today. This and more in today's episode. Hello and welcome to a fresh new video of Daily Fiber. I'm your host Aman Rashid, and before we get on with the rest of the episode, consider hitting that red subscribe button for detailed tech videos and also turn on the bell so that you don't miss any of our latest updates. With that said, let's get started. After a high-octane launch last week, the OnePlus 11 has finally gone on sale in India on this year's Valentine's Day. So of course, for all those people who have been asking us in the comments in our recent videos like when will the OnePlus 11 go on sale? Well, now is the time you can get one for yourself or your loved ones. But before you do that, do note that OnePlus is offering the OnePlus 11 in two separate storage variants. So the 8 plus 128GB version costs 56,999 rupees, while there's also 16GB plus 256GB storage variant. That one costs 61,999 rupees. Available color options include black and green. The black one that we have, Manas has reviewed the device, while there's also green, as I said. That one comes in a glossy finish. Now, as for me, I am working on an iQOO 11 versus a OnePlus 11 battery drain test video. So if you don't want to miss that, you want to know more, then definitely stay tuned to Fiber and consider subscribing to the channel if you haven't already. And of course, for more OnePlus content, stay tuned to Fiber. More content coming soon your way. So yesterday only, I was recording my podcast with Manas and Ashri, and our top discussion for the podcast was Twitter Blue launching in India at a price of 900 rupees per month. And we were also discussing the fact like what will happen with the legacy blue tick holders. Well, today's news is that Elon Musk is saying that all those people who have the blue tick from like earlier, the blue ticks will be taken away from them since they got it in a corrupt manner. Like, correct me if I'm wrong, but didn't Elon Musk also got his blue tick in this pre-Elon Musk Twitter era? So does that also make him corrupt? And what does corrupt even mean anyway? I mean, the people who already have the blue tick, they had a voice. They got it. They got the blue tick via proper manner. They had their background checked. But now anyone and everyone who wants a blue tick, who wants an emblem on their Twitter profile, can get it by paying a fee of 900 rupees per month. It's that easy. So the main gist of the matter is that if you had a blue tick, if you have a blue tick right now, then you might be losing it very soon if you are not subscribing to Twitter Blue, that is. Speaking of the blue tick, Instagram may also launch a subscription service for the highly coveted blue badge. I mean, if Twitter was not enough, then Instagram is also planning to join the party. Now, before you get ahead of yourself, before you make any notions, let me clear you that this news has been broken by a Twitter user, and according to him, he says that there are only a few small references in the code about Instagram working on a blue tick subscription service. So at the moment, this news is not confirmed, and for now, everyone should take it as a mere rumor. So basically, the gist of the matter is that according to him, Meta at this point is only experimenting, might be just experimenting with this subscription service, and a rollout in the future is not certain in any way or form right now. Like, at least for now, we cannot say anything, we cannot comment on anything. So take this as a mere rumor. But what do you think? Will Instagram launch their subscription service or not? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. The Vivo V27 series is all set to make its way to the Indian market, as the company has officially announced that the Vivo V27 series is coming to India, and they did it via an official video teaser. Now, the word is that two phones will be launching in the Vivo V27 series, that is the standard Vivo V27 and the Vivo V27 Pro. So going by the first teaser image, one can figure out that one of the upcoming phones could feature a curved display, could be the Pro version. Additionally, the three vertically aligned rear cameras can also be spotted along with what seems like a ring light, sort of a flash module. Then another teaser image also confirms that the phone will be officially going on sale in the country via Flipkart. Now, if you ask me the pricing, well, rumor is suggesting that the Vivo V27 could start in India at a price of around 35,000, while expect the Vivo V27 Pro to start at a price of around 40,000 rupees in India. It is Valentine's Day, guys, and Flipkart is celebrating the occasion by offering some great discounts on some of the popular 5G smartphones that you can buy in India right now. Starting with the Nothing Phone 1, this one can be purchased for 26,999 rupees without any terms or conditions. This is the lowest price yet on this 5G smartphone. And then those who want a great camera experience can buy the Pixel 7 smartphone. It is available for 56,999 rupees during Flipkart's Valentine's Day sale, but one can buy the Pixel 7 at an effective price of 49,999 rupees using select bank cards. Now, Samsung fans can buy the Galaxy S21 FE smartphone, which is selling for 34,999 rupees on Flipkart. Finally, the iPhone 13 is again on sale and people can get it for less than 60,000 rupees in India right now. Of course, to know more about sales on different smartphones and gadgets, be sure to visit Flipkart. And with that, we have reached the end of this episode. So what are your thoughts on today's video? Let me know everything in the comments below. And as always, for all the latest in tech, stay tuned to Fiiber. I'll catch you all in the next one. Thank you for watching.